Today is Sunday, and I'm going to share with you what I'm having. I made some burgers, and these are going to be for part of my meal prep to be kept in the refrigerator. I am going to make carnivore holiday sauce to go on these, and that's going to be my meal today. This is my dinner, and this is a burger that I was making earlier, and then I have like a keto hollandaise sauce that I made with this one. I just used cream cheese. In this one, I just used some cream cheese, some heavy whipping cream, and a little bit of juices that cooked off of the meat. I didn't have broth and other things that I usually put in here, so I seasoned it like I want, and this is what I'm having for dinner. So, getting ready to eat now. I'm telling you, this is a really, really good, tasty meal. Let's go ahead and cut into it. This is my breakfast this morning. This is my breakfast this morning. So I'm breaking my fast. I'm doing carnivore today. This is my meal of choice. I have some egg sausage. I have 1 egg. And then I have a hamburger patty with some of my holiday sauce from last night. So this is how I'm breaking my fast this morning. This is Sunday morning, and the time is 11:15. Good morning. This is Keto Granny, and I'm going to show you how I am breaking my fast this morning. I am doing carnivore today. Today is the diet of choice on the weight loss challenge. So I have chosen to do carnivore. I'm breaking my fast this morning at 10 o'clock a.m. I am using intermittent fasting also today. This is a hamburger patty along with some cream cheese sauce, a cream cheese hollandaise sauce, and just a little bit of sriracha. This is how I'm breaking my fast. I'm also going to be adding in some carnivore deviled eggs. I am also having some deviled carnivore eggs with my breakfast. And this is 3 eggs. I'll be back to show you my next meal. Okay, today I am meal prepping. Gotten things out, kind of got it situated a little bit, but I'm going to put chicken in the oven, so I'm busy seasoning this now with my seasonings. Here I have bone broth that is cooking in this huge pot, so I can make a couple of jars to put in the refrigerator for my carnivore diet. And I've got all my bones in there that I have packed. And then I have some tri-tip steak that is also on cooking. But this is going to be a meal prep. I will share with you when I'm done.
Goes the bicycle. The bicycle comes back, sets the car on fire.
This is protein jello that I'm having so that I can add more protein in this morning. This is a sugar-free jello with several scoops of cottage cheese. Okay, everybody, so I'm in here making a ribeye steak for me and my husband for dinner. The others are going out. Look like they're having another crab boil. They really do like the crab boil, with the crawfish and the sausages and the eggs and the shrimps and just all kind of stuff in there. And it smells really, really good. I may eat a couple of things out of there, like some of the eggs, the boiled eggs. I like that. But I'm not a big seafood person, so I am making us a ribeye apiece. And I know one of these ribeyes in here is at least a 10-ounce steak, and then the other one I would think would be at least about 8 ounces. But this is what we're going to have for our dinner today, and I can't wait for them to get ready. They smell so good. I did just salt this side down really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over, and I'm going to go ahead and salt down the other side of the ribeye steak. And I always like to rend my steak on the sides also. So I'm going to go ahead and salt this down and then also cook it on the sides. And we're going to get this ribeye done so that we can have dinner. This is so good. I almost forgot to take a picture. Delicious. There's my butter sauce. And I have my husband's. His is cooking. I'll take a picture of it before he eats it. But gotta start on this ribeye.
I'm doing better, life cannot be more golden. But honestly, I won't lie. Sometimes I ask why I can't get you out my head. Now hard to forget that I really need to cut you off. You're always trying to lead me on. You're making all these promises, and you'd always quit. You're just another hypocrite. No, I'm can't 시간을 후회해. No, you thought that I would always stay, but you thought I'd be yours, and she got my mind on nobody. Someone tell me why. I already have a bunch of guys lined